Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me of my entire apartment. I see these videos a lot on YouTube and I really love them, so I decided to do my own version. This video is really meant to inspire you guys to clean your space at home. So if you like videos like this, be sure to click that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and click that bell notification to be notified for all upcoming videos in the future. So once a week, either on a Saturday or a Sunday, I like to do a deep clean of my house. I do clean throughout the week to maintain my space, but I think it's really important to clean your house from top to bottom at least once a week. Right now, I'm cleaning the fridge out, which I try to do at least twice a month. And so I'm washing the drawers in the fridge and wiping everything down. That's a lot to keep up once a week, but I try to do it as frequently as possible because food can get everywhere. And I want to make sure that the space is as clean as possible because I store my food in here regularly. So comment down below which day of the week that you guys prefer to clean the house. I want to know. After wiping down the countertops and the appliances in the kitchen, I like to sweep and mop the floor. I do this last because crumbs can get on the floor, but there's something so satisfying about mopping and sweeping. It just makes the space feel so clean and smell really good. To my bathroom. So in this space, I really like to use an all-purpose spray from Target to clean the countertops, Windex to clean the mirror, and then bleach to clean the toilet and the bathtub. However, I am trying to transition to cleaning products that are a little less harsh than the bleach and some of the cleaning products that I'm currently using, not only on the environment, but just on myself. So if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them below in the comments on what cleaning products that you use that you feel is actually really cleaning the space, but it's really good for the environment and good for you as a consumer to be around that product. So now I am cleaning the living room space in my apartment. This space was a mess from the night before. It usually is not that messy throughout the week. I like to maintain the space and keep it looking nice. Right now I am just fluffing my pillows and karate chopping them to make them look fuller, and I'm just putting everything back in its place. So now I am cleaning off the coffee table in my living room using a wood cleaning spray, which I purchased from Target. I really like to make sure all the items as well as dusted on the table because they do accumulate dust throughout the week. Next, I'm going to clean my dining area in my apartment space. So sometimes I do plop stuff on my dining room table because it's just easy to just put stuff there for the time being. So I'm going to clear all that out and then spray the table with some wood cleaner as well as clean off the mats as well and put everything back. So next, I'm going to vacuum my floor. I really like to see the lines when I vacuum my floor. It's just something so satisfying to walk in the room with carpet lines from the vacuum. Comment down below if you like to see the lines in your carpet as well when you vacuum. So I am cleaning my bedroom now. I like to save my bedroom for last because it just makes me feel like once that's done, I can just relax and I don't have to do anything else. What do you like to do first? Comment down below. Do you like to start in the kitchen? Do you like to start with the bathroom or the living room or whatever space? Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm making up my bed after washing my sheets, which I like to do at least once a week, and then my comforter at least once or twice a month. I know that's a little overboard, but I really love the smell of fresh linen, and there's nothing like clean sheets and a clean comforter. I'm also kind of making up my bed pretty lazily right now. I was pretty tired at this point in the video, so please excuse how my bed came out. But I do want to make a video in the future showing you guys different ways to make a bed and style a bed. So if you'd be interested in a video like this, be sure to comment down below. And now that everything is complete, I like to light a candle and enjoy my space. Thank you guys for watching my Clean With Me video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for notification posts in the future. Bye guys!